Hi, my name is Eugene Davis. I'm a celebrity stylist and I've been in this industry for over 29 years. I'm here today to bridge the gap between the professional and the consumer. I'm going to show Daysia how to get some versatility in her styling for the summer. To emphasize these amazing curls, we use the ORS Olive Oil Wrap Set Mousse, which defines, conditions, and moisturizes. For more definition and all-day hold, we use the olive oil Smooth Control Styling Jelly with Baki oil. For that fantastic glow, you want to use our classic olive oil Nourishing Sheen Spray to get that all-day shine wherever you go. Make sure you hold it 10 to 12 inches away from the hair. That way you get an all-over even distribution.